Hello traders, you welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this review, we are going to dive into Prop Firm Shield Expert Advisor for MT5. It's a utility expert advisor available on the MQL5 marketplace designed to act as an automated risk manager for prop firm accounts. You can download a free Forex robot in the meantime for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by just using the link in the description below. Now, before we walk through the features and strategy tester data, let me confirm platform compatibility right away. As the title and listing show, this tool is built exclusively for MetaTrader 5. It's an MT5 only EA. So if you are trading on MT4, keep in mind that this specific version is designed solely for the MT5 environment. All right. Looking here at the MQL5 marketplace page, Prop Firm Shield for MT5 is developed by Lawrence Hamerly and is currently listed at $30 with 5 activations. It is currently at version 1.4. The primary purpose of this tool is to provide real-time account protection. It is not designed to generate trade signals on its own. Okay, instead, it acts as a risk management layer that continuously monitors your account metrics. The developer highlights its utility for traders using evaluation of funded accounts across firms like FTMO, TopStep, Apex, Funded Next, the 5Rs, and E8, where adhering to strict daily loss limits is vital to keeping the account safe. Okay, so let's break down how the tool operates by looking at its core feature sets and input parameters. First, you have daily drawdown protection, which allows you to define a maximum daily loss threshold in either raw currency or percentage terms. If that threshold is breached, the EA can automatically close open positions and delete pending orders to prevent further equity degradation. Second, it includes max lot size protection. This flags oversized orders that violate your personal risk parameters and can automatically close the trade if a lot size exceeds your preset limit. Third, there is a max trades per day control to prevent revenge trading or over trading, alongside a trading session protection module that locks trading outside designated hours. Okay, now to keep you updated on account status, it provides mobile push notifications, sound alerts, and pop-ups. It also renders a live dashboard on the MT5 chart showing daily P&L, remaining drawdown allowance, active trade counts, and an overall account state ranging from safe to warning or locked. Now, let us transition over to our historical strategy tester run to see how the EA functions under backtesting conditions. All right, so we evaluated Prop Firm Shield MT5 on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame covering January 1st, 2026 to July 22nd, 2026 on an initial deposit of $10,000, and we actually had 100% history quality. Okay, so now looking at the test log and settings, the inputs enable tester validation trade was enabled. All right, so in MT5 testing, utility protection EAs like this often execute a brief validation trade right at initiation to verify trade execution, slippage, and script functionality in the environment. Now, in this test, the EA executed a single 0.01 lot market validation buy trade on gold, holding it for exactly 1 minute before closing it for a gross profit of $2.96. Now, because this is a protective management tool rather than an autonomous trading strategy, its role in live environments is to sit in the background and intervene only when defined risk rules like the daily loss or lot size caps are hit. Okay, so examining the final testing metrics, the total net profits recorded was $2.96. with a maximal equity drawdown of 0.01%, which translated to just 69 cents over the 3,254 bar testing window. Now, from a trader's perspective, these metrics simply demonstrate that the utility initialized smoothly and executed its core functions without introducing system overhead or unintended or other behavior. However, it is essential to remember that historical backtesting of a protection utility will not capture live scenarios like rapid spread widening during news events, broker execution delays, or real time manual trade interventions. Okay, now let me just quickly turn on the visuals so that we can just briefly see how this expert advisor looks like in action. Okay, so we can see here, you can see this dashboard showing here, just like we saw on the marketplace page. It shows you the status, the daily P&L, the remaining drawdown, the max daily loss, the trades executed for the day, and the open positions and the scope. All right, so with the necessary info there. Okay, so it's quite an interesting expert advisor for those who are looking for a protection utility expert advisor, right? And a protection utility expert advisor. If for those interested in such, it might be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Okay, so in summary, the Prop Firm Shield Expert Advisor for MT5 offers a structured, rules-based safety network for traders who want automated enforcement of their risk parameters, especially on prop firm accounts with strict drawdown rules. It can serve as a helpful safeguard whether you trade manually or run other trading algorithms. All right, so I'll still recommend testing it thoroughly on a demo account first to fine tune your loss parameters and alert settings before placing it on a live or funded account. All right, so if you found any value in this video or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Okay, don't also forget to share the video with other trader friends who you think will find it valuable. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.